Hello everyone and welcome back to Twoguysfinance channel. Now you might have the question, can we apply for both NSP and NSP scholarship? If you have this question or you've been thinking about this, then this video is for you. And the National Scholarship Portal NSP and State Specific Scholarships SSP have different eligibility criteria and application processes. So if you want to apply for multiple scholarships, please take note of the following information. 1. Check your eligibility criteria for both NSP and SSP scholarships. Separate the applications. You may need to submit separate applications for them. They have different requirements, such as academic performance, income level, or category. So what's the benefits of applying for multiple scholarships? We have some benefits, one of which is increased chances of receiving financial aid. You can also explore various scholarship opportunities and choose the one that best suits your needs. So the best course of action is research and shortlist scholarships that match your eligibility criteria or interests. Also, carefully review the application requirements and deadlines for each scholarship. Submit application for scholarships that you are eligible for and interested in. It's as simple as that. So if you're interested in applying for both NSP and SSP scholarships, ensure you meet the eligibility requirements and follow the application process for each scholarship.